Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, but if you're struggling to get enough views and clicks to drive sales, the problem might lie in your SEO, search engine optimization. Many beginners overlook this powerful tool, but it's easier than you think to master. In this guide, I'll explain what SEO is, why it's essential for your affiliate marketing efforts, and show you 8 simple steps to optimize your content for more views and sales. So if you're new to this whole format, you may be wondering, what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is the process of enhancing your content to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, making it easier for your audience to find. For affiliate marketers, this means making your videos, blogs or social media posts more visible to potential buyers searching for products in your niche. On platforms like YouTube, SEO revolves around keywords, words or phrases people are searching for. For example, if your affiliate content is about fitness gear, keywords like best fitness trackers or top workout equipment might be the perfect option. By strategically placing these keywords in your content, you'll make it easier for your target audience to find your affiliate links, increasing views and boosting your sales. Essentially, SEO is your secret weapon to get discovered by the right audience. Your content won't be lost in the sea of competition. It can help you to rank higher in search results, which means better visibility, meaning more clicks and sales. It'll also boost engagement, leading to more views and more likes, comments and shares. These are key metrics that can help you to grow your affiliate business. Whether you're sharing a product review, tutorial or list of recommendations, having SEO in your content ensures your hard work gets seen. And to give you some examples, here are 8 key areas to optimize SEO for affiliate marketing. The first would be your titles, as it is easily the most important aspect of this whole process, as your title is one of the first things that people will see, so you need to make it catchy and include keywords. For example, if you're promoting fitness equipment, a title like best fitness trackers for 2025, top picks for every budget works well. You can change it to suit your own preferences. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT and other formats in order to help you craft titles that will give you inspiration. You can even use the behind the scenes features in the YouTube studio if you're using video, as they do have trending tabs and new features that they're adding all the time to give you inspiration behind what titles you can use. The next area to look at is equally as important, which would be thumbnails, as visuals do matter. Using engaging branded thumbnails that include keywords subtly, for instance a thumbnail with having text like top fitness gear, reinforces the message of what's already in the title. You don't want to plaster too many words on the thumbnail, but you want to add enough in that gets the message across and makes an impact, because if you can do that the right way, you have a better chance of getting clicks on your video. The next thing would be file names. While it's hard to say whether they do have an impact, but it's still worthwhile just adding them in and having that process, having everything organized. So when you're uploading your files, rename your video file or image to include keywords, for example like best fitness trackers 2025, etc., as this could also help to signal to search engines what the content is about. Now there's still debates on whether that's actually true or not, but it's no harm in doing it anyway, just for peace of mind. Your descriptions will be the bread and butter pretty much of everything that you're doing here, as this is where you're going to fill out a lot of the information that's necessary to help you rank in the search results. So you need to write detailed descriptions that naturally incorporate keywords multiple times, but you don't want to completely flood it or spam words into it. You want to create a discussion or a conversation about what you're trying to do, and you can blend those keywords into the narrative, and you want to use them subtly. So you can use examples like discover the best fitness trackers or best affiliate marketing products and so forth. You can change up the dynamic to suit what it is that you're trying to promote or what you're trying to rank for. The best thing to do is to look at other videos of well-known content creators and look at the descriptions at the bottom of their videos and look how they process or how they write everything out. You can literally take what you need and try to implement it into your own context, but make it into your own words and put your own spin on it, again including the keywords necessary to help you rank. You'll want to take your time with this, as it can be the difference between getting no views and getting loads of views further down the line, even months or years down the line in some cases, which does happen. The next area would be the use of hashtags. You want to ensure that relevant hashtags are added to your posts. Like here you'll be using affiliate marketing, online business, affiliate products or best tech, as that can help your content appear in more relatable searches. Now again, you don't want to spam your whole description box with just hashtags everywhere. You only need to use about 3 or 4 of them, especially on YouTube. You can use more on other platforms, but it will give you a chance for your content to get seen. Another area of interest, while it isn't as much of an agenda these days on YouTube, but it's still relevant to some degree, regardless of what people say, and it's better just to have it as a method to your practice and your overall work progress. Even for me, with the videos that I create on all of the channels that I run, I still implement tags all the time. time, because there's no guarantees when a certain keyword will pop off and you might start getting views on a particular video that you created say 6 months ago. So by having all of those elements in place, it definitely will help you. So by putting in the work now, it can benefit you later on. And just to give you a quick tip, if you're not sure of what tags to write, you can go onto the YouTube homepage, you can open up a new incognito tab and you can start searching for specific keywords and see what pops up or see what videos pop up, because usually if you do type in a certain phrase into the YouTube search bar, even most social media search bars, there's a chance that you will get a list of different keywords. You can add them into your tag box to give you a better chance. But if you're still struggling with that, there is a really cool website under the name of rapidtags.io, which is here on screen. So what you want to do is to generate very quickly. So what you want to do is include related search terms for your niche, either affiliate marketing tips, or if you're in the fitness niche, the best workout gear, best meal plans, so forth. Even just to give you an example, just take the title that you're going to use to create your video with and paste that into it, and it will generate tags based off of that title which will relate to it. So again, there's a very good chance that a lot of those titles will rank. It will just simplify your workload, so you won't have to really think about what to do next. You can save yourself time also. That's one of the real useful benefits of a tool like this. The next area would be to look at your captions and transcripts. When you upload a video to YouTube, it will automatically be generated into captions, even video transcripts. And if you really want your videos to rank using SEO, you should review them and edit them to ensure the keywords are included correctly. Say for instance, if you're trying to mention phrases of the top affiliate programs as a keyword, you want to make sure that it's spelled correctly within the captions itself at all of the points that it's referenced or that it's been spoken about, as this is another way of helping you to rank in the search engines. You want to cover all bases as much as possible. This will also go for the same with subtitles and closed captions, as again it will help to reinforce the keywords. It's just making sure that everything is neat and tidy and that looks presentable, but at the same time incorporates the use of all the words that you're trying to rank for. But when you have your content created, there are other avenues that you can use. When you have the video out online, you want to give more outlets in order to help you rank your content, maybe even drive more views to certain dynamics. And to give you a bonus tip on that, you can streamline the process by using AI video creation tools. You can use AI platforms like Nexus Clips, which you can see here, as it can help you repurpose long-term videos into short-form content, creating engaging clips that will be optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. And these can also be used as a fantastic way to promote your affiliate links, as short-form videos do tend to have a higher engagement rates. Now, it's not to say that all of them will convert, but you have a better chance of getting more views. So by implementing these SEO strategies, you can maximize your content's potential to attract the right audience, drive more clicks to your affiliate links, and ultimately increase your sales. But with time and practice, and even consistency, SEO will become a second nature throughout your work process, and your affiliate business will reap their rewards. If you found this video to be helpful, let me know down in the comments below. And if you need more advice on learning more tips about improving your affiliate marketing strategies, then this next video will give you what you need.